Sup, my fellow hooligans and court jesters. Today I'm going to be teaching you fools how to make a hot dog. These things that you buy at a store for 99 cents a piece. Why do you need to know how to make them? I don't know. I'm not paid. Alright, so, first thing to know, you have to have a pan. This is a pan. You can recognize them via their kind of shape. Next, you need an oven. I'm not going to show you the oven because I have the camera sitting there and I don't feel like moving it. So, here we have a burner. Take the burner, you turn it generally counterclockwise. This can vary from oven to oven, so make sure you know how to read before doing this tutorial. Alright, next up, you wait for it to heat up. While you're waiting for it to heat up, it may be a good idea to get some plates. This is a plate. You can tell because it has a similar shape to a pan, but it's less sloped. Good tip for you there. Alright, you also need something to put your hot dog in. I have bread. This is bread. It's a yeasty sort of thing that rises, has a kind of gluteny texture. And you're going to want to put your hot dogs on the bread. Generally, they use hot dog buns. That's for the bourgeoisie. I don't have hot dog buns. I have hot dogs and I have bread. I do actually have baguettes, I think. They look absolutely disgusting, but this might actually work. If anyone tells you not to cut stuff freehand, they're liars and fools. Maybe they're smart. Good enough. Alright, pan's hot. I can tell because I slammed my hand into it. I highly recommend doing that. If there's ever a chance to put your hand onto a hot thing, you should. Just to, make sure it is actually hot and you aren't being fooled. Alright, so you're going to take your hot dogs. This is a hot dog. Put it in the pan. This is a hot dog. Put it in the pan. Good job. You're halfway there to becoming a professional chef. Now you're going to wash your hands. Hot dog juice, though it may seem harmless, is probably harmful. Hands washed, good for you. You're no longer infected with hot dog juice. Alright, now we need a spatula. You can tell it's a spatula because it has a similar curve to the pan. Now you're going to roll your hot dogs around. Just really get them rolling. Let me demonstrate for you. See those? I don't know. I have on a front-facing camera. I can't tell. Now you're going to want to keep doing that for about... Fun fact, you actually don't need to cook a hot dog. They're perfectly edible raw, because they're already pre-cooked in a factory. So the act of cooking them is really just heating them up. It's similar to a marshmallow, which actually makes hot dogs and marshmallows kind of a good pairing for camping. Both don't need to be cooked, but they are. I don't have a follow-up for that one. I got some browning on them, good for them. You're going to want to wait till they're very brown. Like the same color as the pan here. Why do you want to wait till they're the same color as the pan? So you don't have to taste the actual hot dog. It'll just taste like burnt. Which is generally the flavor you go for in a hot dog, because if you really think about it, they aren't good. At all. So you're just going to kind of... Don't let them sleep. If a hot dog goes to sleep, it will awaken with a vengeance. So just kind of... So while we're waiting for those lads to cook, you may be thinking to yourself, hey, why am I watching a video on how to cook a hot dog? I know how to cook a hot dog. Everyone knows how to cook a hot dog. You're quarantined. You don't have anything better to be doing. If we have anyone from the Stone Age watching, this may just blow your mind. This is a fork. It's got little tiny prongs. It's kind of pan-shaped. And we're going to use it to remove these hot dogs since they've been cooked. See? Cooked. Just like that. Now you have hot dogs sitting on bread, ready to be consumed. Good job, you made hot dogs. Some people like to top their hot dogs with many things. Ketchup, onions, mustard, relish. I don't bother. Too much work. Bon appetit!